Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a chunky twist out with a twist using Gemini Naturals Curl Awaken Primer and Vegan Temporary Color Gel in the color Cobalt. Stay tuned. So I'm going to apply the color gel right over the primer, and then I'm going to do the 2-strand twist. So I've done flat twists on both sides of my hair, and then in the middle part, I'm going to be just doing some chunky 2-strand twists. So now that my twists are dry, I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes. Do you see how juicy this twist is? And the definition? Yes, you can already tell it's going to be a bomb twist out. So here are my final results, and I am loving them. Gemini Naturals never lets me down. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you have subscribed, liked, comment, and share, and stay tuned for more videos.